C8502 Structural Analysis 1 Primary Structures of Flexibility Matrix prepared by Anand A. AP Civil, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Primary structures. A structure formed by the removing the excess of redundant resistance from an intermediate structures, making it statically determinate, is called primary structures. This is required for solving indeterminate structures by flexibility matrix methods. Indeterminate structure and primary. So in a cantilever beam, at the end there is a support, means there is the indeterminate structure. In a beam, the both ends there is a simply support, means this is the primary structure. And next, equilibrium and compactability conditions. The three conditions of equilibrium are the sum of horizontal forces, vertical forces and moments at any joint should be equal to 0. That is, h is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. That is horizontal, vertical and moment. Forces should be in equilibrium. That is, fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0, fz is equal to 0. And that is, mx is equal to 0, my is equal to 0, mz is equal to 0. Displacement of a structure should be compactable, and the compactability conditions for the supports can be given as roller support v is equal to 0. So introduction of flexibility method. So these are the two basic methods by which an indeterminate skeletal structure is analyzed. In this method, flexibility and stiffness properties of members are employed. These methods have been developed in conventional and matrix forms. Here, conventional methods are discussed. In flexibility methods, the unknowns are forces at the releases. The method is also called force method. Since displacement is also required at releases for imposing conditions for compactability, the method is also called compactability method. So in this computation of displacement, use is made of flexibility properties. Hence the method is also called flexibility method. And finally, static and kinematic indeterminacy. Statically indeterminacy, it is difference of the unknown forces, that is internal forces plus external reactions, and the equations of equilibrium. And next, kinematic indeterminacy, it is the number of possible relative displacement of the nodes in the direction of stress resultants. So thank you.